Good morning and welcome to Equipment Remarketing. We're taking a look at a 2015 utility 45 foot by 102 aluminum combo with a universal mounting kit. Steel headache rack, brand new kingpin plate, beautiful steel all the way around, been turbo blasted, primed and repainted. Aluminum deck is in excellent condition. Wood nailing strips replaced. Brand new buyer's toolbox, sliding tandem, spring ride suspension, brand new brakes and drums, steel refurbed outer rim with brand new rubber, universal mounting kit, carries Moffett, Princeton, Loadmac, and many other brands. Take a look at our website, 99 Lifts, see what we have available lift wise, or give us a call at 260-238-4998 and we can help you determine whether your lift will fit on our kit or if we need to make any alterations for you. Brand new rubber, steel refurbed rims, brand new straps, refurbed ratchets. Beautiful aluminum combo, folks, 45 by 102 with a universal mounting kit. Give us a call at 260-238-4998 or take a look at our website, 99lifts.com.